Okay, so we're going to start. I give you some opening code here. F.read saves the file as a string, but when we apply .splitlines, this makes it as a list of the words. But now we want to go over this list. Now we could do it inside the with or outside, that doesn't really matter, but I'm going to do a for loop. Now I could say for X in word list, or for I in word list, or for letter in word list, but word list itself is a list. It's a list of words, and as I do a for loop over it, it's going to go word by word. So word is going to start off by equaling the first word inside this file, and then the second word, and then the third word, and maybe I'll do something like if how could I check if the second letter of this word is A? Well, it's a string. Word is a string. And if I did word 2, that would be the third position in the word. So word 1 is what I want here. So this will give me if word 1 equals A, I could print the word. Now, we probably want more than that because we also want the fifth letter to be E. So maybe if I make it inside this if loop, if branch, maybe I check word. This would be 4 because the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, the fifth letter would be in position 4, index 4. And I want to check if that's E. And then of course you want to continue that out, figure out how to do the G. But let me just print the words that start with A, or sorry, second letter A and fifth letter E. Let's take a look at this and see which words meet that criteria. So I'm going to run this program. It's going to be probably, oh, okay, yes, so this is a problem. So some words won't have this second, so I should do, I should only count the words that have at least 7 letters, right? So I could just do another if statement here. If length of word is at least, so I'll do greater than or equal to 7. If it's not, then we don't want to consider it anyway. And then I'm going to indent this. So now in order to get printed, the word must be greater than or equal to 7 characters. The one in the second index must be A, and the character in the fifth index must be E. Let's give this a try. Okay, as we can see, there's quite a few here. I'm going to Control C, which is going to stop this. Now, you're going to add a final if statement in here to account for this being G. And what I tell you is there's only one word that meets that. I think that's true. If you find it different, let me know. But certainly it'll be a much, much smaller list than just meeting these criteria right here.